Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will be making the popular ogbono soup. Ogbono is gotten from OE as it is called in my language, and it is called bush mango or wild mango or African mango in English. The ogbono is very edible. You can eat it. You can eat the epicap and mesocap as fruits, while the endocap, which is the seed, is what we use to make ogbono. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Ogbono has its own health benefits. It is very rich in protein, carbohydrates, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and also used to reduce inflammation of the body and help to reduce weight loss. Without wasting any time, let's get into this video. I will start by introducing my ingredients to you. Firstly, I have the ogbono blended. It's already blended right there. Then I have blended crayfish, salt. I'm not going to be using all salt. Blended pepper, dry pepper, then catfish, it is already washed on the bone, and mushroom already washed, then seasoning to taste. That is it. Then in the pot I have goat meat and the strips. That is the protein I'm going to be using. I already seasoned it with the Maggi cube, salt and onions. I will be adding the catfish to it. That is going to be the proteins I'm going to be using. Then while I will allow the meat to cook for 1 hour to be soft, for it to be very soft, then I'll mix the ogbono in the pot with palm oil, add some with palm oil, then add some dry pepper, crayfish. Then I will turn everything, mix everything together, as you can see, like so. Mix thoroughly to be sure that all ogbono is well incorporated with the palm oil. Then add some crayfish like this to it. Then add some crayfish to the pot. Then save some crayfish to be added to the soup at the finishing part of cooking the soup. That will make the soup have that traditional type of flavor that when you go to an occasion that you want to eat that occasion food. That is the secret, is that crayfish that you add last to the ogbono. That is why you always have the craving to eat occasional food. Now I'm adding the mushroom to the soup, to the cooked goat's meat. So I'll just stir everything together so that everything can be well absorbed with the ingredients. So I'm going to be adding the catfish so that it can be well cooked and tender. Just watch, guys. Keep watching the process. Then after stirring, I will cover so as to continue cooking. Remember, I'm cooking for a total of 1 hour. At this point the water was not much, so I took the hot water from the kettle and added to it. Thereafter I'm going to cover the pot so as to allow the protein to continue cooking. Then at this point the goat meat is cooked. Then I'll just take out some of them out of the pot, then add the remaining seasoning to the pot, then start adding the ogbono, as you can see. Then I will just put some water in the pot, in the smaller pot, so as to make sure that the ogbono, no one is left in the smaller pot. Then stir together. As you can see, it's still very thick, so I'm just going to get my hot water and make it lighter. Some people prefer a very thick ogbono, but me, I don't like so much thick ogbono. Not too watery, not too thick, just average. So you can do your own the way you like. If you want it very thick, good. If you want it watery, like good, but this is how I prefer ogbono. Then I add the remaining crayfish. This is the type of crayfish that when you add this crayfish towards the end of cooking, that is when you get that aroma, that traditional occasional ogbono, that when you go to an occasion where they have ogbono, you have the craving of eating it. So this one, as I'm even seeing it now, I'm even salivating now. And this soup I've made it since last year. I just found it in my video that in my gallery that it has been sitting there without me posting it. So that is why I'm just editing it now. As I'm doing this now, I'm even salivating to go and cook another ogbono, because this ogbono I can't even remember when last we ate the last one. See, so I'm just adding the protein to it, stir it together just like this. As you can see, it is almost cooked. I'm just going to add the spinach. I have frozen spinach from the freezer. That is what I'm just going to be using. If you are using frozen spinach, make sure you get it out when it is ready to use. Don't let it stay outside. If not, it's going to melt in your soup. So get it out, put it like this. It's still going to, when you use it like this, it's going to come out nice and fresh, like you are using fresh from the farm spinach. As you can see, you won't even tell the difference if I don't tell you I'm using frozen spinach. Yeah, then continue stirring, then allow it to cook for some time, just few minutes, like 2-3 minutes, so that the ingredients will be absorbed into the spinach. Then get it out, get your swallow ready. You can eat this soup with any your favorite swallow. It can be plantain, semo, fufu, pounded yam, garri, eba, any type of swallow you like. Wheat, you can use it for this one. Try my recipe, guys. You are going to love it. This soup is shouting with eba. Oh my god, I can't wait to make another ogbono again. I can't wait. As you can see, this is very pleasant to the eye, so inviting, so salivating, so attractive. See, that was my portion right there. Oh my god, did I actually finish this one? I can't remember. The remaining, I have to dish it into the bowl and preserve in the freezer. All these are all gone. If you have not subscribed, please like, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel. I forget to say it before now. Subscribe. Bye.